Right, morning. It's Thursday the 20th of January and I think it's -3 today, and I'll just show you the pond. Right, well, I don't know if you remember my last video, we had the ice problem. We've also had the window leak, so the water just went down to the bottom 6 inches and we had to glue the window in, the liner to the window, with some more upmarket, I think it's CT1 that we got from Wicks, which was $13.50 a tube, whereas what we'd used before was a cheaper stuff. We fitted the heater, so you can see it's on, and that's the clover leaf. And so at the moment the pond is 7.4, I think. So the fish are happy, as you can see, swimming around happily there. We haven't lost any with all our ups and downs, so that's good. So really happy with that. And the little pond has also got an aquarium heater in it, and that is 6.4. And that's got, I think it's got half a dozen baby goldfish in, sort of about 1.5 inches. It's got some 6 4-inch kois in it, and today, I can't see them, they're all, there might be one there, you can see it probably down there, the kois. And today we're having, for my birthday, my husband's got me 6 butterfly koi. They're only supposedly about 2 inches or 2.5 inches in length, and they'll be going into the little pond, so hopefully they'll be okay in there. But like I say, the heater's on and it's 6.4 at the moment, so hopefully that'll be enough for them. But apart from that, it's just a very frosty morning, so I will come back to you when the butterfly koi arrive. Right, so excited, my butterfly koi have arrived, and they're in this box, and I'm going to open up and hopefully they're all okay. Right, so taking the tape off, and let's see, so it's a polystyrene box, it looks like it's got some paper, newspaper, and then looks like some sort of silver foil. When I sort of watched this item on eBay, he said that they were 2 inches, but I think they're a lot more now. They look more like 4 inches, so I presume they've grown, because I've been watching for about 3 months. So, well, we've got some nice colours. They're all swimming around. There seems to be maybe an all-white one, a couple of orangey coloured ones. But yeah, they seem to be okay. We'll see if we can get a better look at them in a minute. Right, so you can see there. Well, bag feels quite cold actually, so I'm hoping that they'll be all right. The temperature in the pond is 7 degrees, so hopefully they'll be okay in the pond. We might try putting them in a bowl and then resting the bowl in the pond. That way I get to look at them. Or I might open the top of the bag and then can have a better look. Right, the little butterfly koi have been floating in there for about 3 hours now. So I'm going to put them in the pond now. So I'll just put them on the stand and then you can see. Right, so I'm going to empty them into a bowl, because obviously I don't want to put that water in there. So, and then put them in. well you can see there, but that's them. And they look quite big. I would say they are about 3 or 4 inches, but they look lovely. So there's 6, it's 2 orange, 3 sort of yellowy and dark, 1 dark and white, and 1 sort of quite white. So I'm hoping the lightest one will stay white, because it'd be nice to have an all white one. But yeah, they're looking good. A lot of mess in there, so I'm going to put them into the pond and let them go. Yeah, they do look lovely. Some lovely colours. Really pleased with them. A lovely birthday present, eh? So as you can see, they're down there. Maybe down the bottom there, probably because that's the warmest bit, because the heat is just at the corner there. Oh yeah. So hopefully they'll be happy. Hopefully we won't have any more dramas. Next time I see you, everything will be going smoothly. Well, thanks for watching. Bye for now.